So, what if I told you there's a way to make the Porsche 911 GT3 even faster? That's right, faster. We're talking about shaving nearly 3 seconds off its Nürburgring lap time. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Porsche just announced something that could change the game entirely for GT3 owners. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this new upgrade works and why it's a must-have for any serious enthusiast, and wait until you hear what they're planning for the next-gen models. Alright, here's the scoop. Porsche is offering a new Manthey Kit for the 911 GT3. This isn't just a cosmetic tweak. It's a full-blown performance enhancer. The standout feature? A redesigned aerodynamic package that boosts downforce without increasing drag. Imagine a front lip that extends further, a rear wing that's been widened and fitted with a Gurney flap, and rear diffuser fins that are longer than ever. But here's where things get really interesting. This kit also includes carbon fiber aerodiscs for the rear wheels, which not only look striking but help reduce drag significantly. Now, let's talk numbers. In its most relaxed setting, this Manthey GT3 can generate 782 pounds of downforce. Take it to the track in its most extreme configuration, and you're looking at 1,190 pounds. That's a serious upgrade from the standard model. And it's all done while keeping the drag unchanged. The suspension. It's a 4-way adjustable coilover setup, co-developed by Manthey and Porsche, designed to handle the increased downforce. The front axle's spring rates are 10% stiffer than the previous kit, giving you more control and precision on the track. But what does this mean for the future of automotive engineering? Well, Porsche is setting a new standard for performance upgrades that don't void your warranty. This collaboration with Manthey is not just about speed. It's about redefining what's possible with factory-supported modifications. As the industry moves towards electrification and autonomous tech, innovations like this remind us that the heart of driving pleasure is far from gone. So, what do you think? Could this be the ultimate upgrade for a Porsche 911 GT3? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most, and if you're into cutting-edge automotive tech. Hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down the latest innovations in high-performance EVs.